Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of silver, what we have seen, it was moving in a particular range but with a volatile market. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, once the range break, we have seen a swing has formed and it made upside as well as there is a continuous downside we can see in the silver. Okay, and a U pattern is forming, so chances are very high if it goes above this particular pattern, then the probability of going towards a level of 24.50 is there, but it has to sustain that particular zone, making a high of $24.5. Okay, now if you look at this, before we move ahead in silver, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, a low of that particular point is $20.30. Okay, so probability is very high. If this level goes further down, then we can see it can fall further low, but if it's form a swing, then only we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise a probability is here it can go further low. Okay, so see, as and a pattern is forming, so once this break this particular trend, so chances of going further upside is there, because there will be a pattern break will happen and a swing will be there. Okay, so suppose if it goes above level of 24, then probability of going further upside is there, because this level we have not seen since 8-9 months. Okay, but if it goes below this level, we have not seen this level since November of 2022. Okay, so once the price move below this level, we can see a level of $20.498 to a level of $20.086, and if it moves below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $19.544 to a level of further down, because what we have seen, a trend is continuously downside, so chances of touching $19 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, if it goes below a level of $19, chances of touching 18.790 is there, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $18.500. Okay, so once the price started falling below a level of $20.086 will be, we can see a level of $19.545 to a level of 19, and then to a level of 18.790. so you have to keep this in mind. Once started falling below a level of 19, chances of touching $18 is there, and then from there we can see a further low. Okay, but if it form a swing, okay, and sustain, then the next resistance we can see coming at around $21.447. Okay, and if it goes above that particular zone, then we can see a level of $22.331, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $22.056. Okay, so once it started moving upside above a level of $22.056, we can see a level of $22.511, and from there we can see it can go further upside. So once started moving upside, then a probability is very high it can cross that particular level of 22, and chances of touching 22.602 level is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and once started moving upside, then a probability of touching $23 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 23.5 also. So what you have to keep in mind, that once started moving an uptrend and sustain above a level of $22.5, chance of touching higher side is there. Okay, few of the factors which have affected the price of gold and silver is as you can see that the gold price was continuously is very volatile, because of Fed was continuously increasing the rate, and war situation was there, and some of the factors are also there. Okay, and dollar was getting strengthened. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if the price move below this particular zone, chances are very high because overall trend is downside. Okay, so now you have to understand something, that what most of the traders do. And see, suppose if you're trading, what I teach in workshops, if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, then this 5 trades all went in loss, then maximum loss you can face is $500. Now it will not affect your psychology, because the thing is that this psychology plays an important role. If you lose 500, that will not affect psychology, you will focus more on profit rather than recovering this. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, so what people do is they lose so much money, and in that if you lose 5,000, they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.